Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, what's up? It's time for Practical Hakka on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是林振修 Joseph Lin, and along with Alice, this month we're teaching you the phrase "Where is it?" 在哪里？ D9V OK 有的时候是要找东西啦哈，可是有时候你看到一些你去过一些餐厅或景点呢，会说这到底在哪里啊？
对啊，就是翻照片哦。
Exactly, yeah. When you see a place maybe in a magazine on a photograph, you want to ask where is this place? You want to go, right? 然后呢，刚好这个月呢，我们带大家到花莲去玩啊，
哇，很漂亮
顺便来介绍一下花莲啊，
好啊，
好不好 ？OK, the first.Wow, this place looks so pretty in the photograph. 照片上这个地方看起来好美哦。
胸片当街，
胸片当街，
亚给素菜，
亚给素菜，
看起来，
看起来，
懂讲哦，
懂讲啊，真的是懂讲啊，就像 Alice 也懂讲啊。
暗自say哦
I know 懂讲 that means it looks so pretty, just like Alice right here, right? 然后呢，相片上面或相片里是胸片当街。当街就是里面的，
相片里面呢，这个
看起来就很美啦。
然后亚给素菜
啊，这个地方，Yeah, that means this place looks so beautiful.
可以来懂讲哦。
所以到底在哪里呢？你要问了嘛 ，right？ 这在哪里呢 ？Where is this at？
亚丁奈维亚，
亚丁奈维亚 ，OK， D9V is where is it？ Where is it at？ 那这好像是在花莲的样子哦。
董琼黑，
董琼黑，
花莲嘅用诶。
花莲嘅用诶 ，OK。
董琼黑花莲嘅用诶。
花莲 ，That's 花莲 ，That's the county that we're taking you to this whole month, and it looks like it's in 花莲，所以就董琼黑花莲嘅用诶。Okay, that means it looks like it's in 花莲。Now you know, right? 真的很美，一定要去这个花莲玩玩了。不过我们来 rate 几个生字喽。
好，
比如说 the picture， 我们的照片。
胸片，
胸片 ，OK。That is a photograph, a picture. 然后这个地方 ，this place。
亚给素菜，
亚给素菜 ，OK, that means this place。然后呢，好美啊！
很强哦，或者是懂强哦，
对，很强，
很漂亮啦，什么很强，很强哦，或是懂强哦，都可以了。
懂 and 很 can be interchangeable. It just means so pretty. 懂强哎哦，
懂强哦。
对 that means so pretty. And finally, it's all about asking where is this place or where is it? Right? 在哪里？ D9V. And next time you got a question on your mind, you know how to ask this in Hakka. And that does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什么太嘎？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.